Ready?
Yep.
Okay, what we're going to do right now is we're going to follow along a song called Snow on the Sahara by Sarah Brightman, who's a internationally recognized opera singer, opera star. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take all this electrified gas I have in my body, just like when the sun explodes and there's a CME, which is a coronal mass ejection. I believe that there are nuclear reactions happening in your body all the time, and you have electrical energy in there. That electrical energy can culminate into gas, electrified gas. You can move it around, meridian channel it. The Chinese call it qi. So what happens to me all the time, that's why I'm in case studies and research, genetic research, is that I have hypoglycemia, relative hypoglycemia. That means very low blood sugar. So when I put sugar into me, it's like putting rocket fuel into a car or some kind of spaceship or airplane, fighter plane, whatever you want to say. It's like being on steroids. So I can move that gas out, really just exude that light energy, and then just come off the decibel charts. They cannot accurately record or reproduce my voice, and there is no decibel reading on someone like me when I really get going. Sure, I could blow these the windshield out, I can move objects, I can do a lot of things. Now today we need to study these type of things because we want to find out, well, why can't we run a car on your own body? Why can't you have that electrified gas and hook yourself up to the lighter in the car and run the car? Why can't we use solar paint? Why can't we use compressed natural gas with electricity and your body and the sun and everything and run a car and not have to use the Arab's oil, period? Well, we do have that infrastructure here right now. We do have some of those technologies, but it is cost prohibitive to just go ahead and spend trillions of dollars to put in compressed natural gas stations all over the 200,000 plus minus gas stations that we have in this country, in the United States of America. It would take an enormous effort to do something like that. And then the car manufacturers have to build the cars, and then the oil companies have to, and the utility companies, and all the rest of the government have to switch over to use these new technologies. So I'm into biomechanical engineering, and what I do is I study the energy centers in your body and how they affect your body. Now, I don't look as old as I'm supposed to because I believe that the high sugar content in my body and the diet that I have is kept me a little younger than the average population. So let's go ahead and do this Snow on the Sahara now. Okay, I have a little boy and a little girl, and the little boy is interested in math and science and new technologies, and he likes to play games all the time, and he told me he was bored yesterday. I said, well, you have sort of the same genetic-based abilities that I have, and you probably have one of the highest voices in the world, and your sister is a banshee, and she can do things like that. Why don't you sing to Snow in the Sahara or Asia or something and work on your abilities and become an opera star and see what you think? And he doesn't know what he wants to do right now. So he said, well, show me something awesome, show me something amazing, show me the length of your abilities and what you can do in the power horn and the super horn. So I'll do another take here for you, Mr. Adam, and you can watch this and see what you think. Here we go.
You tell me that you still want me when you wander off out there to those hills and depths and hot winds that blow in the dry ocean. Lost out in the desert, you're lost out in the desert. I forget the days of mine.
lost out in the desert. From stars of the test about some child. I'll be the moon that shines on your path. So then blind your eyes are playing beside the path. So to follow the Sahara. On the Sahara. That's it.